Hello and welcome to my new video. So today I'll be doing my first ever makeup tutorial. I am very excited but also kind of nervous because it's the first video like this that I make. The closest thing I've gotten to making a makeup video is a little get ready with me IGTV that I posted on my Instagram. If you want to check that out, I'd be very happy. But anyway, I'm just here to share my daily makeup look, which is a really simple but cute natural looking makeup look. I would wear this on the daily because it's really simple, fast, and easy to do. Anyway, yeah, it's a very soft, simple, natural makeup. If you're like me and enjoy simple makeup like this, then maybe this is the video for you. I hope you enjoy the video. It's really easy to follow. I feel like I should probably stop talking soon, otherwise I'm gonna keep blabbering. And yeah, it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera. My last video was almost posted more than a year ago, so yeah, I'm a little bit shy and nervous. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and without further ado, let's begin. First things first, I gotta move my hair out of my face in order to continue. And oh no, I'm so shy, I don't like my ears here. But anyway, moving on to my skincare. I'm going to be using this moisturizer, Effaclar Matte by Roche Posay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but anyway. Then for my eyes, I'm using the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm Cream. And that is all for my skincare. Now I'll be using this Maybeline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 121 Light Honey, and I'll be applying this all over my eye and then I'll start blending it out. I'm sort of using this as an eye primer so that my eyeshadow can pop out more when I apply it. Moving on to my eyeshadow, we'll be taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and this eyeshadow brush. Then I'll be mixing the shade Georgia and just Peachy to create the shade that I want, which is this like cute pink peachy color, which is my favorite. After this, I'll be applying this all over my lid as my base color. After this, I'll be taking this little blending brush and using the shade Peachy Pit, which is a dark purple, and I'll be applying and blending this out to the outer corner of my eye and my crease to give my eyes a little bit more of depth. Then I'll be taking this semi-metallic shade called Luscious with my finger and applying this all over my lid just to add some more brightness to my eyes. I find that using my fingers with these particular shades make them pop out more than just using a brush. Now I'll be putting that same Maybelline concealer I used on my eyes, under my eyes, and in every other part of my face where I might find it necessary, and then blend it out. As of late, I feel a bit sad that my skin is quite sensitive, and due to the mask, I've been breaking out quite a bit. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. I sadly went to brain cells and forgot to record the actual product, but it's the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. Now a little goes a long way with this, so just do some little dots on your face and start blending away. And there we are. Now I'll be contouring my nose using this angled brush, and I'll be using the shade Puree as my bronzer. Now, I'm no pro at contouring, but I try my best. So here's to me slapping this on the sides of my nose and just hoping for the best. After this, I'll be taking this big fluffy brush and just hope it turns out okay. Then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Powder in the shade 245, and I'll be slapping that on my face. This kind of helps me hide how harshly I ended up doing my contour. Like I said, I am not the best at this. Next, I'm just going to contour a little bit again, just making a bit of a button nose. And then I blend it out. Then I'll be using this little brush and using the semi-metallic shade Nectar to highlight the tip and bridge of my nose. And then I'm just blending that out. Now I'll be using that same shade to apply it to my tear duct and a bit of my waterline just to highlight that area of my eyes. Now I went to brain cells again and forgot I do this after I do my eyeliner, so let's go back to that. I'll be using this Brown Bisou liquid eyeliner. I feel using brown gives the eye a much softer and natural look. I'm going to start my eyeliner from the center of the lid, creating a semi-thin line as I just follow the natural shape of my eye. For the wing, I'm doing a bit of like a sorta soft puppy dog eyeliner look, since I'm just extending it down while still following the natural shape of my eye. I just want to accentuate my eyes a little bit with this. Not to mention that this type of eyeliner is so fast and easy to do when you're on a rush. I love it. For my inner corner, I'm just following the natural shape of my eye and doing a very subtle inner corner here. And looky here, this is what it's looking like. Then I'll be taking this small angled brush and using the shade Summer Yum to softly line my lower lash line. I don't want to use the brown that's too dark since I want this to be a soft look. Now I'll be taking the shade Charmed, I'm sure, and I'll be lining only this little part of my lower lash line. It's the one that connects to my wing, just to add a bit of shadow there if that makes any sense. My camera went to brain cells, but here I'm just using my fave Avon Care Rose Lip Balm, moisturizing my lips while I finish up. Now I'm using the Tom Ford Duo Blush in the shade 02X Blicked Flush, and I'll be packing this on mostly on the apples of my cheeks, as I want it to be brighter there since I'll be rubbing this all across my face to get that flush sunburned look. My motto is, if I don't look like a clown, then I'm not doing blush properly. Then whatever leftover product that I have on my brush, I just apply it to my chin and my forehead, and there you go, connery! Now we're just curling our lashes. I'm too lazy for falsies, so mascara it is, and I'll be using this Maybelline waterproof mascara to my top and bottom lashes. We can't be forgetting those bottom dolly lashes after all. Now I'll be using the Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay Lipstick in the shade 117, and I'll be applying this only to the inner middle part of my lips. I did such a bad job recording this, but I hope it makes sense. After that, I'm using a Q-tip and I'll be blending this out, sorta creating a semi-soft gradient look. I like doing this to make the color softer since the lipstick by itself is very vibrant and we are just going for a very soft natural look today. For our final product, I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitterly Lip Gloss in the shade Sunscape. Since I used a matte lipstick, this helps keeps my lips moisturized and gives them that glitterly, glossy, juicy look that we want. And with that, we've reached the end of the video and the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this, and now to get the clips of the whole dolled up look with the vibes, I'll see you very soon. And yeah, bye bye! Ta-da!